If you need to close your Uber account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to close. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to access your account options. Step 3. Find account management. Scroll down to find the Privacy section or Account section, depending on your app version. Look for the option labeled Delete Account or Close Account. Step 4. Follow the prompts. Once you select the option to close your account, follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to provide a reason for leaving and confirm your decision. Step 5. Confirm account closure. After completing the prompts, you will receive a confirmation message. Your account will be scheduled for deletion, and you may receive an email confirming the closure. Once you've completed these steps, your Uber account will be closed. If you change your mind, you might have the option to reactivate your account within a certain period.